Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Today I'm going to share this plan with me, and this is a pre-plan but post voiceover. I know I'm a little bit late. I'm a little bit behind on my videos, but I wanted to get this up there so you guys could see this adorable kit in person already laid out in my planner. So this one was like a bestseller. Everybody really loved this. It's called Falling for Gnomes. I don't particularly use too many of my own kits because I can, I don't know, it's just a thing because I buy so many kits from other shops. I love to support other small businesses. And so I have so many other kits to use, and I always feel like, oh, I could just use my kits any old time. I just print one out and use it whenever I want to. And I always tend to not because I have so many gorgeous kits from other shops that I just never get around to using my own. But this kit was designed by my very good friend Jolene, and I wanted to give it all its due by having it appear here on my channel and in my wonderful shop planner. This is my Avalon and Ninth planner, and it's the 7x9, and it is like I said, my shop planner. So I wanted you guys to see it all laid out. And yeah, I really love Jolene, and she did a fantastic job with creating this kit, so I wanted to show you guys. So I'm just going to do like I always do, lay down my dates, lay down my washi, and start putting down this super cute artwork. She has an absolute love for gnomes, so everything gnome and gnomey related is right up Jolene's alley. And I've continued with the tradition by making sure that every single month I put out a gnome kit, and it is in honor of my very good friend Jolene. So you'll notice that I did a thankful gnomes, and this month there is some Christmas gnomes, and it's just a whole lot of gnomes. So every month I hope to have another gnome kit out for you guys. So since I know how much you guys love them, and I love them too, I think they're absolutely adorable. So let's get back to this planner. So this week, what happened this week? Since I am voicing over after the fact, I already know what happened this week. So Monday I had a doctor's appointment and then went out to dinner. So that is what these little boxes are going to be for, is my appointment time. And then I went out to dinner with hubby. And then it was pretty much, oh, all hands on deck. It was finish all of the orders, get everything printed, cut. It took me a couple days of straight printing, and I'm not a ready to ship shop. Now, it is a goal. I want to be, but I really need to slim down the things that I offer in my shop in order to be ready, because I have over 300 things that you can order in my shop, and it's really hard being a home business to have that kind of stock on hand. So I do pre-print a certain number of new releases before the sale normally, but I had a whole big old fiasco with the Harry Potter kits. All of the Harry Potter inspired artwork, they Warner Brothers didn't like me using the name Harry Potter, so I had to change all the names of all the kits because I know that I put Harry Potter inspired, but you can't even use the name. So I had to put like magical school, wizard school, magical transportation, magical characters, stuff like that, which wasn't a big deal, but it took up an entire day of time when I would normally be pre-printing new releases for the start of the sale. And then, as always, like months. This next month, October, same thing is going to happen. The sale falls on my work week. So I work every other Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then the opposite week it's a Wednesday, Thursday. And the last 3 months, and now October as well, I am working. The sale starts on Thursday and ends on Monday. I work Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and those are 12-hour shifts, night shifts. So it's not like I can really do a whole lot in between to get things printed and cut and packaged and ordered. But I want, like, a personal goal is to have everything out by the end of so the sale ends on Monday. I want everything in the mail by the following Monday. And so I just basically like kill myself with the printing and the cutting and the packaging. And I did notice that I've been making some mistakes, and usually they are to your favor. So like you'll end up with, oh, I ordered a TPC Nation and I sent you like a regular standard vertical. I'm like, cool. My mistake. I was not paying attention. I was rushing through trying to get these orders out, and it's totally my fault. So now you have a standard vertical and a TPC Nation version of the same kit. Not anybody's fault. Totally glad to have people like tell me when I make mistakes. I need to know so that I can fix them. I need to know when things aren't right so that I can fix them. So I'm totally happy that you guys do that. But I need to slow down a little bit. So again, back to what I was trying to say. I do want to be a ready to ship shop. I do. but in order for that to happen, I'm most definitely going to have to slim down the number of things that I have available in the shop. So it's a goal. It's a project that I have planned. So you may see some of your kits that you really love kind of go away. Doesn't mean they'll go away forever. Chances are what I'll probably end up doing is just be more seasonal. So you won't see, like, right now it's, fall. So there's no reason to have Easter kits up. So you'll see me start pulling things like that off and, just kind of slim down. And then, things will come back. If it was popular, it'll come back next Easter along with new releases. If it wasn't, then it'll just go by the wayside. So anyway, that's the plan. So you know what's going on with the shop. Since we're doing the shop planner, I figured that's what we would talk about. What else happened? So right before I started filming this, I got to tell you about this cat. This is my nemesis, this cat. I know he's doing, I don't know cats. I'm sorry, but this one is weird. He talks all the time. He never shuts up, and he brings me mice. I live in the woods. We live northwest. I know there's mice out there. I have like a shed. It's like a garden shed, and I see the remnants of mice being out there. So, I mean, I'm totally happy that he's out there, cleaning up the mice and doing his thing. But why does he got to bring them to me? He brings them to me in various stages of death. And today I went upstairs and it looked like a little mouse murder scene. And I had to clean up the mouse murder scene because nobody's home and I'm the only one awake. So it had to be me that did it. But I just want him to stop trying to feed me. I don't need my cat to feed me. I need him to just take care of his own stuff and do what he does, but not give it to me. I don't want it. And I don't need a little mouse murder scene in my living room. It's disgusting. Anyway, so I was just stressed out about that. So I thought I'd share with you my cat dilemmas because I'm sure anybody out there who owns cats knows my struggle and can sympathize with, I had a cat for a long time. Pops, he did not make it up north with us because he got spooked and he ran and we couldn't find him. And I'm in my brain, he's got a happy little warm home somewhere in California and he's a happy cat. But he got spooked when we moved, and because we were renting a place until we moved to the northwest, and he ran away and we couldn't find him. So I haven't had a cat since, and I've had no desire to have one since. And now my son, when he moved up here, he brought his cat. So if you haven't heard the story, if you have already, I apologize. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you've been here before, this is an old story, but I just want everybody to know why I'm so stressed out about this cat, because he is literally my nemesis. So back to the planner. It is looking cute, huh? Look at these little gnomes. They are so stinking adorable. If you like gnomes, keep an eye out. There's more to come. Thankful gnomes. Oh my gosh, you guys just killed me with the thankful gnomes. I don't know. Can't even tell you how many of those I printed and cut and sent out. It was like, on top of that, you totally, if you did order from my shop, I thank you. Thank you so much. You guys every single month are moving me more and more closer to being able to back off from shifts at the hospital and spend more time in the shop, and I'm very, very happy and very grateful for that. So here it is, all done, and I still have all of this stuff left over, which will make a really cute daily spread. I've got all these little extras from, so this is what like a whole kit and caboodle would look like. So all of those pages, so there's 6 pages, 6 half pages and 4 quarter pages. Then there is so much here. Then there's tons of it left over. So if you have a TPC Nation planner, which I do, which has the daily, the new hybrid, this extras, perfect for that. You can totally do a TPC daily spread with all the extras that you have. You just need to save yourself a box or two. So here it is. Hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy. Have a fantastic week, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye-bye.